After upgrading my monitor to 32-inch 4K resolution, Photoshop interface has become really small. So there are a few things that you could do to increase its user interface size. First, hover your cursor over the thumbnail of one of the layers, and it should be exactly on the thumbnail and not to the right side of the layer. And then right click and select large thumbnails. This will help to increase the layer sizes. Next, select edit, go over preferences and then select interface. Here under UI font size, click in here and change it from small to large. And as it says in here, changes will take effect next time you start Photoshop. So click on OK, close your Photoshop and open it again. You might even have to restart your computer. And as a final resort, go to your desktop, right click, and then select display settings. And here you need to click on the display resolution and change it to a lower size, such as 1920 by 1080. And then select keep changes. And now if you would go back to Photoshop, you could see that the buttons and the user interface have become much bigger. And finally, if you don't want to decrease your resolution, you could instead lower the size of your Photoshop so that it would take only a portion of your screen. I found it that in this way the buttons and the user interface are clearer. If you know any other tips that I haven't mentioned, please write it in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.